And what are the types of an adverb? So do you have any idea what is an adverb? Okay. An adverb is a word or a phrase that modifies an adjective, a verb, or the other adverb. It expresses the relation of manner, circumstances, degree, place, and many more.
So the first type of adverb is the adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? Okay. Adverbs of manner provide more information about how a verb is done. Adverbs of manner are probably the most common of all adverbs. They are easy to spot too. Most of them will end in ly. Examples of adverbs of manners are neatly, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly, and lazily. Here are some examples of sentences using the adverb of manner. Okay, the first one is, the young soldier folded his clothes neatly in a pile at the end of his bunk. So what is the adverb of manner there? All right, neatly. Very good. Okay. Second sentence. I politely opened the door for my grandmother as she stepped out of the car. What is the adverb of manner there? Another answer? Correct. Politely is the adverb of manner there. Okay, let's go to the last sentence. A fat orange and white cat rested lazily on the sofa. What is the adverb of manner there? Lazily. Very good. So, yeah.
Second type of adverb, adverb of time. What is adverb of time? These adverbs state the time occurrence of an action. It may give sharp or rap to the time occurrence of an action. Example of the word adverb of time: soon, late, yesterday, tomorrow, today, last night. Here are some examples of the sentence using the adverb of time. He will go to the school tomorrow. Where is the adverb of time in the sentence? Correct. Tomorrow is the adverb of time in the sentence. Second example, I met him yesterday. Where is the adverb of time in the sentence? Correct. Yesterday is the adverb of time in the sentence.
Another type of adverb is adverb of frequency. What do you think is the adverb of frequency? These adverbs tell about how often or how many times an action occurs. It gives an idea about the frequency or occurrence of an action. Adverbs of frequency examples are daily, weekly, seldom, frequently, usually, sometimes, most of the time, again and again, often. Examples of adverbs of frequency in a sentence. Number 1. I meet him daily. What do you think is the adverbs of frequency there? Correct. It's daily. Number 2. He usually sleeps in a day. What do you think is the adverb of frequency in a sentence? Correct. It's usually. Example number 3. The failed student was frequently thinking about his failure in an exam. What do you think is the adverbs of frequency in a sentence? It's frequently.
Another type of adverb, the adverb of place. This kind of adverbs expresses the occurrence of an action or regarding an action. Example of these are near, there, outside, inside, bottom, ahead. If you use this in the sentence, for example, number 1, they were talking outside. Outside is the adverb of place in there. And number 2, they were coming here. Here is an example of adverb of place in the sentence.
There you go. So, we have discussed to you the different types of an adverb. So this time, we are going to summarize all of it. So again, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word or phrase that modifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb. So the first adverb is the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner provide more information about how a word is done. Like for example, quickly, neatly, lazily. The second adverb is the adverb of time. Adverb of time states the time of occurrence of an action. Like for example, soon, late, yesterday, and tomorrow. So the third adverb is the adverb of frequency that tells how often or how many time an action occurs. Like for example, daily, weekly, and frequently. So the last but not the least, the adverb of place, which expresses the place of the occurrence of an action or regarding an action. Examples are here, there, inside, bottom. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you've learned a lot. And in behalf of my group mates, we are grateful and we are saying goodbye. But before that, for more exclusive videos, please click the notification bell and subscribe to this channel, Teacher Rvie channel. So, bye-bye!